E-commerce security systems. Security has become critical factor and core issue in any emerging e-business. Solving the security problems in transactions is the basis for ensuring the smooth development of e-business. E-commerce security is a set of protocols that safely guide e-commerce transactions through the internet. Types of e-commerce threats: information leakage, tampering, payment frauds, malicious code threats, distributed denial of service attacks, cyber squatting. Information leakage. The leakage of trade secrets in e-commerce mainly includes two aspects. The content of the transaction between the vendor and customer is stolen by the third party. The documents provided by the merchant to the customer or vice versa are illegally used by the another. Tampering. E-commerce has the problem of authenticity and integrity of business information. When hackers grasp the data transmitted on the network, it can be falsified in the middle through various technical means and then sent to the destination, thereby destroying the authenticity and the integrity of the data. Payment frauds. Payment frauds have subsets like friendly fraud, when customer demands false reclaim or refund. Clean fraud, when a stolen credit card is used to make a purchase. Triangulation fraud, fake online shops offering cheapest price and collect credit card data, etc. Malicious code threats. Within an e-commerce site, there are multiple vulnerable areas that can serve as an intrusion point for a hacker to gain payment and user information. Using malware, cross-site scripting or SQL injection, an attacker will extract the credit card information and sell the acquired data on black markets. Distributed denial of service attacks. It is a process of taking down an e-commerce site by sending continuous overwhelming requests to its server. This attack will be conducted from numerous unidentified computers using botnet. Cyber squatting. Cyber squatting is the illegal practice of registering an internet domain name that might be wanted by another person in an intention to sell it later for a profit. It involves the registering of popular trademarks and trade names as domain names before the particular company do. The following are some of the security elements involved in e-commerce. Authenticity, confirming genuineness of data share. Availability, prevention against data delay or removal. Completeness, unification of all business information. Confidentiality, protecting data against unauthorized disclosure. Effectiveness, effective handling of hardware, software and data. Integrity, prevention of the data being unaltered or modified. Non-repudiation, prevention against violation agreement after the deal. Privacy, prevention of customers' personal data being used by others. Reliability, providing a reliable identification of the individuals or businesses. Reviewability, capability of monitoring activities to audit and track the operation.